So today Elsa and I are going to show you how to make a bunny out of some household items that you should already have. So this should be fun. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need some regular white rice, a ribbon, some yarn, scissors. We do have scissors, as well as some needle and thread, and of course a sock. All right, so the very first thing that you're going to want to do is take your sock. And we just have like an old, regular, apparently stinky sock here for you.
Ew.
Stinky sock? If you say so. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is take some of your twine. Okay.
Here's my twine.
Here is your twine. Just cut a decent sized piece of your twine.
Can you do mine?
You're doing good, honey. And then just make a tiny little tail at the bottom of the sock, right where the bottom of your toes would be. We're going to just make a little thing here and tie that off with some of the twine. And Charlie, aka Elsa, Elsa is working on some other stuff right now. Okay. So I have a lot of excess, right? I did take a pretty big piece though to start off with because I didn't want to make it too small.
Mommy, I want to cut mine though.
Yeah? Here, you can cut yours again. Okay? All right. Once you have your little nubby tail, Charlie is cutting Rapunzel's hair.
You mean Mother Gothel?
Oh, Mother Gothel is cutting Rapunzel's hair. Okay. Well, while she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start our next step. So now we're going to need to fill the body with our rice. Lord Gothel, Elsa, Charlie, do you want to assist with this? Okay, be careful with your scooping. Good, I'm going to hold this open for you and dump it in. Dump this rice in. Ooh, good job. Oh yeah, we're going to need a lot more for sure. That's all right. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, we'll sweep up later. You know what? You could just dump this whole one in there.
Okay.
Here, I'll make it real wide. Go ahead. Ooh, there we go. Good job. Look at his body. Nice and full. He's a full little bunny.
Yeah. Now I'm going to keep cutting.
Yeah. So there's our little body. Okay. Make sure that you leave enough room though, because then we're going to also need to tie this off in a moment, and then we're going to fill his body or his head as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and cut another piece of twine. Can you please cut this for me, Mother Gothel?
That's your Rapunzel hair?
Yeah, cut that for me. You can do it. Watch your fingers. Woo! Good job. Okay. So I'm going to tie this. And it doesn't need to look beautiful because then in a little while we will wrap the ribbon around this part. Okay, just make it nice and tight. Okay, Mother Gothel, can you clip this for me again? Watch your fingers. Good job. Good cutting. Okay, so now we have our bunny body. Okay. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we want to make his little face. Okay, so whatever side that his little bottom is, his little tail, make sure that you put his face then on the opposite side in the front. So I do have some of our string all ready to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make him a little X. But what I would suggest is start to sew on the inside first. Okay. How's it going over there, Mother Gothel?
Actually, you are Rapunzel, but I won't cut your hair.
Please don't.
I won't. I just cut this. This is your hair.
Mm-hmm.
This one can tumble out.
Okay. So you're going to want to do this then for the mouth and then for the eyes as well. Okay. So we're going to do that right now, and then we will show you what that looks like when it's done. All right, now it is time to fill our bunny's head. So now, Miss Charlie, can you pour that into his head again? Or into his body, into his head? Perfect. Look at his cute head.
And look at his cute little tail.
Oh, he's going to be adorable.
It's a snowman.
He kind of looks like a snowman, a little bit, yeah, right now, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's leave him like this for now.
Oh, he's
Okay.
so cute.
He is so cute. Okay. I thought so too.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to cut one more piece of twine here, Charlie, so that we can...
Actually, I'm making a blanket.
Oh, blanket. Oh, for Blue Baby Crayon. Yes.
I need some food for him.
Okay. Very lovely. Would you please do me the honors?
Yep.
Thank you. What a lovely assistant you are. Okay, now we are going
And then
to...
cut some more of yours
Okay.
whenever you want more.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so we are going to tie this nice and tight. Okay. All right, Charlie Warley, can you please...
Elsa.
Elsa, okay. Miss Elsa, can you please cut me here again? Trimming off the excess. Don't put your fingers in there. You gotta put it up higher. Here. Oh, open up. Open it up. Oh, this. Like this. Here, see? You gotta put it up higher like this. Now, here, close them. Watch your fingers. Good job.
He's a real bunny.
Yeah, he's close. He's almost done anyways. So we just have
so
another
cute.
couple things.
Mwah,
I
mwah.
know.
He's my stuffy now.
He will be your stuffy. We just need to finish him up, and that's what we're going to do now.
That will be my stuffy.
Yes, it will. It will be your stuffy.
Mm-hmm.
We are at the home stretch here. So now we only have
get
2
him
more things to do.
Yarn.
All right. Elsa,
Hmm.
we need to cut his ears
Yep.
like this. Here. We have to go like this. Okay, so we're going to open like that, and we're going to cut just right down the center so that it opens it up like he has 2 floppy ears. Here, want to help me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? Push down. Push, 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 push. Okay, good job. Let's see.
Is he done?
Almost. Ooh, okay, good.
He's done.
I think so. Here, let me just check on one more here.
Totally looks like a monster.
Totally looks like a monster.
Right?
He should totally look like a bunny, but
He is a bunny.
He could be a monster bunny.
He's not a monster bunny.
No?
He's a regular bunny. He's a big
Okay.
bunny.
No.
We'll
We
take
may
care
need to
of
do
him.
something about his ears because they don't look fantastic.
Yes,
But
we do.
our last thing that we need to do is put his ribbon, his pretty ribbon around his neck.
Let's make it like a bow.
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Big bow.
Yeah. Cute little bow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
He's a
then,
little girl.
oh, it's a little girl bunny. Okay. What's Bunny's name gonna be?
Bunny hop.
Bunny Hopper?
I mean, girl.
Aww.
I mean, not a bunny
How
hopper.
cute.
Her nickname is Ears,
Ears?
and her real name
Uh-huh.
is Bo.
Bo. Aw, Bo. All right. So you don't want to fix Bo's ears. You just want to leave them like that, all silly.
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to show everybody your
Stuffy.
stuffy there?
Do you like my stuffy?
Do you like your stuffy? Awesome. I'd say that was a job well done then. Thank you so much for joining us today and for subscribing to this video. By doing so, you're supporting a small local business who really appreciates your support. So if you
Stuffy Bunny, right?
You did make Stuffy Bunny, right? So if you guys think of anything else that you'd like to see us do, crafting, baking, something fun to do, right?
Yeah.
Just let us know, and maybe that'll be our next video.
Do you hear Bunny?
All right, Charlie, say thank you,
Thank
and
you.
bye.
Bye.